Philadelphia, both down there in Scaggsville, Fulton.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from 22 nautical miles west of Bush River to 9 nautical miles southwest of Bush River, moving northeast at 30 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Still Pond, Bush River, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Turkey Point, Susquehanna Flats. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally, high waves and dangerous lightning can't be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. The next two high tides for Baltimore